We eat a variety of foods every day. You may have tried different kinds of new things at home and in restaurants. But you will definitely be surprised to see the dishes of the world that I am going to show you about in today's video. So let's get started. Number 5. Rabbit and duck head. Friends, in the old days, meat dishes were very expensive in China, and not everyone could afford them, so they ate every part of the animal, such as head. Even today, there are many restaurants in Beijing where you can find dishes made with duck and rabbit heads. Imagine for a second, how can someone eat rabbit and duck's head? These restaurants are equipped with LCD in which it is showed how to eat these dishes. I have never seen anything more ridiculous than this in my whole life. This is a really weird dish. Number 4. Aquatic. Friends, who does not like to eat ice cream in summer season? Obviously, we all would like to eat it. You may have eaten ice cream of many flavors, but this aquatic ice cream is made from animal's fat. This ice cream has been made in Alaska for many years. Fish is also added in many flavors, and it is made by mixing animal fats and berries. I think nothing can be more worse than this dish. Number 3. Bolla. You may have boiled eggs and eaten it many times, but you have never seen or eaten such an egg. This dish is made from duck eggs. When the baby duck is 2 weeks old, the egg is boiled and it is eaten with soup. This dish is mostly eaten in the Philippines and Cambodia. It's really a weird dish. Number 2. Sanakji. Friends, there will be many dishes that you will not like. Most of them because they are not cooked properly. But in Korea, a small alive octopus is cut into small pieces, and it is served alive with sauce. The octopus is seen moving live in the pot, but it is very dangerous to eat because suction cups can get stuck in their throat and stop breathing. Guys, before we move further to our list, we have a small request. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe now and turn notification on, so that you can get more amazing and more interesting videos in future as well. Number 1. Bat. Friends, which wise person would want to eat bat as food? Man's hunger dies as soon as he hears bat name. But you would not believe that in many parts of Cambodia, Thailand and China, people's favorite food is bat soup. How can someone eat this grubby thing? But restaurant owners say that they not only like it, but it is very tasty and a cure of many diseases. To make this dish, bats are thrown into boiling water and it is cooked with spices. It is also eaten with milk. Friends, today's video ends here. In the comment section, tell us which dish you felt the most worst to eat. And if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like it. Thank you.